Hey guys, it's Zach again. I was just at home and I was starting to clean and I was about to wash this box when all of a sudden my grandma's cat actually jumped in and he will not get out. It's kind of creepy, but kind of cute and cool at the same time. This is Mia, and yes, he is a boy.
Why'd you say that?
Because Mia is like a girl name, you know that.
Yeah, but I didn't know he was a girl.
Yeah, he will not get out no matter what the heck I do.
I bet if you shake it upside down, he will.
I'm not doing that because I might hurt his head.
Did you do a picture of the side,
Yes.
like he's in jail?
Hey, it kind of does look like he's in jail if I do this. Hey. Bad kitty. Bad kitty.
Bad kitty, come on, baby.
Well, that is all for today. Please smash that like button and subscribe. God knows I could use more subscribers.